Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be doing a quick sketch of a hand holding a piece of paper, so something like this at an angle like that. So to begin, we're going to first put down the paper itself. So I'm not putting an overly big sheet, something just that big, and I'm going to draw a set of lines to form a shape. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and again over here, right around here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, that looks like a hand, but we are not there yet. So we're going to grab another pencil and we'll start off with a thumb. So around this line here, we start drawing our thumb and go along this line. You could even put an oval here as a guideline, long oval like that. But essentially, as we all know, every hand is different, so the oval is going to vary by hand. So along that line, I'm just drawing the outside of the hand. But the easiest way is to put the thumb down first. Just put in the thumbnail, skin folds, there's the edge of the paper, and then have the index finger coming close enough, and then going away into that knuckle. And right here we can go like that, 1, 2, 3, and then even have a fold in, or sometimes it's just round, it depends on the hand again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like curves like that, and then 6, stop there, and then go with a 7 upward, kind of like that. Now the other fingers are behind or at the back, so we're going to just go so much, 1, 2, and here again 1, 2, and just 1 right at the back, and then those fingers have to come out somewhere here. So 1, 2, and 3, just a bit of the index finger. So there we have it. We have already put our hand down. So now to finish it off, of course, if I had a light source coming right down, I would first go into the darker areas and put the shading down, the shadows, the tones down right away. Depends on how intense the light is and how much you wish to illuminate certain things. But yes, there will be tones, shadows for sure, and I would just go like this, like a little bit of crosshatch right across, and then come from the bottom to round it off somewhat like that. So this is again a quick sketch. If you were to do some fine art, that's the knuckle right there, you would be, as I said, that if you were doing some fine art or gifting somebody something like this, you would be expending more time to make sure that the details just pop out that much. But right now the general idea is just to have some inks going around the edges, around so some skin folds right there, as we know, and I'm just going to go in with a crosshatch like that, just that far, and I'm going to come into the slight indent here around the thumb. Make sure that the lines, if we have to illuminate show any, will be like that in this case, because we are looking at it from that angle. And then we keep going. So cross hatch all through. Again, every hand differs. So if I were to just smudge this a little bit, it would have a more acceptable and pleasing effect. Of course, you will add the skin folds here, or finger folds if you will. And there is our quick exercise in a hand holding a piece of paper. So please Google images and see for yourself, and put in lots of practice. Have fun. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and keep in touch. Have yourself a wonderful day.